Hi friends, now let us know about a great heart surgeon who was hailed from South Africa, Cape Town. Do you know who he is? Dr. Christian Bernard. His parents are related to missionaries family, Christian family. South Africa is notorious for apartheid, that is color discrimination. The whites ill-treated the black people, that is Negroes. They are not allowed into the white-dominated areas, and there are prescribed restaurants for white people only, educational institutes for white people only. As Dr. Christian Bernard belongs to the black community, he was also ill-treated many times. His parents are not affordable to join him the medical college, Cape Town, South Africa, which is a famous medical university. However, the two scholarships made him to join the medical college. He completed his 4 years course by 1966, and he worked as house physician for 1 year, and he completed his total medical course by 1967. Dr. Christian Bernard did odd jobs in small medical hospitals, that too in rural areas. There he was not happy, as he is getting very small pittance, small amount as salary, through which he can't maintain his family. So again he came back to Cape Town. There he improved the surgery. That too he concentrated on cardiac department, heart surgery. When he became perfect, he conducted the human transplantation, that is, the heart of a person to the heart of another person. He took much pains, as he is only the first heart surgeon who transplanted the heart to a patient got immense recognition as a heart surgeon. Recently, in 2017, 50th anniversary of Heart Transplantation Day recently, Dr. Christian Bernard, from the childhood age, he thought why people should suffer from different diseases. Why this heart problem became a curse, particularly to the common people, common man. So, since the childhood, he decided to become a heart surgeon. And finally, he was succeeded in 1967. See, 2017, 50 years completed his first transplantation. Though the patient to whom he conducted heart transplantation died after some days, after 19 days. Not because of heart problem. He died because of pneumonia. And his second heart surgery, heart transplantation, the patient died after 1 month. So again, he tried, he worked hard to be a successful surgeon. Then after third, fourth, fifth operations, the patients survived for 17 years, 22 years also. Likewise, he got worldwide recognition. Dr. Christian Bernard always felt why people should suffer, particularly the children, whose death rate is very large. Many infants died before 1 month. Many infants died within 2 or 3 months. Do you know? Many children died at the age of 4 or 5 years. 12% of the born children were died at the tender age, 3rd year, 4th year age, 4 years old, 3 years old, 5 years old. The death rate is 12%. So as a heart surgeon, he felt that very sorry, as a doctor, he can't survive. He can't treat. He can't operate many people. He sincerely worked in South Africa, Cape Town, which is an island. He was unable to travel far off places to conduct heart operations. when a 7-year-old boy joined in Cape Town Children's Hospital, he was the doctor who treated that boy who had a hole in the heart. He successfully saved the life of that boy, and he also felt very sorry for a boy whose face was totally burnt. 2/3 of his body is burnt. There is no chance of his survival. He himself treated that boy who lost his eyes. The total face is disfigured. The boy looked very terrible. In that dead tissues, the face tissues are totally dead, and the face looks complete black and white because of the burnings. At that time, he felt mental agony. Mental agony. Why these small innocent children have to die at an early age? But the two boys, one boy who was totally blind and the other boy whose heart was successfully operated, but one of his shoulders was amputated, cut off. Only one hand, the other hand was amputated, removed. But these two boys, forgetting their issues, health issues, medical issues, celebrated their life very happily. They played in the children's ward as if they are participating in a car race. Dr. Christean Bernard, who observed the children, who enjoyed their life, both the boys taught him the life is given by the God Almighty, whatever it may be. One must celebrate the life happily, joyfully. What we have lost is not important. These two boys taught him, what we have lost is not important. What we have left is important. So afterwards, he changed, Dr. Christean Bernard changed his mindset because these two children taught him a profound lesson. Life is a celebration. Life is a celebration. So, in this small video, I want to tell the parents, grandparents, one thing. We have to accept the God Almighty's altars. Brahma has written, there is a written document about our birth and death. and the life between birth and death, the life between the cradle and the graveyard. చూసారా, తల్లి గర్భమున పుట్టిన నుండి మరణం వరకు మధ్య ఉన్న జీవితం ఎలాంటిదైనా మనము అంగీకరించాల్సిందే. నా లైఫ్ బాగలేదు, నా వైఫ్ బాగలేదు, నా ఫేస్ బాగలేదు, నేను పూర్ ఫ్యామిలీలో పుట్టాను, నేను రిచ్ ఫ్యామిలీలో ఎందుకు పుట్టలేదు, నేను తెల్లగా ఎందుకు లేను, నేను నల్లగా ఎందుకున్నాను, నా ఫేస్ కట్ ఏం బాగలేదు. వాట్ ఎవర్ ఇట్ మే బీ, దట్ ఈస్ గివన్ బై గాడ్ వన్స్. You can't change it. You have to accept it. So these things we learn through Dr. Christean, who was the first heart surgeon successfully transplanted human heart from one person to the other person. Don't forget, he was born in Cape Town, South Africa. He studied medicine in Cape Town Medical College, a reputed medical college, with the help of 2 scholarships which he got. And how the 2 boys changed his mindset from pessimistic attitude to optimistic attitude, from negative attitude to positive attitude. These are the things one must learn by reading the life, biography, autography of great people. Nowadays, the latest surgery, sophisticated surgery, angiography, angiogram, without opening the heart. The heart attack, heart problem can be cured once for all. Still, latest equipment is arriving in India also, especially Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai. Advanced medicine, sophisticated equipments are available. So with this video, I think I passed some important message about South African born Dr. Christean. Thank you. Good night. Good night to all.